Hey, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing well. Sorry for late upload. So actually I was a little busy with my own work, so that's why it is I am uploading late. Sorry again. So let's start unboxing. Today we do have a special casting of Bburago Ferrari SF90 Stradale Fiorano. It is one of my best favorite casting. For a very long time I was looking for this casting, and today I do have, finally it is here. So I am very excited. Hope you guys are too excited also. So let's unbox this super casting. Shall we? Yes, we can. So as you can see here, this is a Bburago's casting diecast, and here it is the diecast. It is looking fabulous. Here the red finishing with the red box casting, and here you can clearly see the Bburago logo is here. Also the name is here, SF90 Stradale STO Fiorano. I know the name is way too long, and you can see here the symbol of Ferrari also here. The horse is here also, and the casting is the box is looking amazing, and the texture is also very nice. If you rate me, if you want to rate me this box, I will rate this. It is around 8.5 out of 10, because the texture and the material here they are using, it is very smooth and very good quality material. As I am also buying Hot Wheels, and this one is also I am currently buying Bburago. If you ask me which one is the better box, box or case or card, I will always go for Bburago, because the texture and the card, it is looks so premium, and the design and the minimal. The design is minimal but neat and clean, where the Hot Wheels are little cartoonish. That's what I believe. And the Bburago's casting is actually premium model always, and it is more little costly also. The cast right now I do have in my hand, it is the cast price is $5.99. I got at MRP price also. So let's start the unboxing here. So let's unbox this. Shall we? So now here we are going to unbox this. Just a second. Wow, just look at that. Just the finishing, the material, and it's so looking fantastic. Just a second. Let me open this. And here it is. Come out. Just look at the casting, the finishing. Here the logo of Ferrari is here. The wheelbase, it is a 5-spoke wheel with silver lining, and the entire finishing, the backlight finishing is here, and so detailed and so nice. And overall the casting is looking so premium. It is actually a premium casting also. And the finishing, here it is the logo of Ferrari. Let me zoom it. I hope you guys are able to see it. And the finishing, casting, it is looking so nice. If you want me to zoom out, if you want me to rate this, I will rate this around 9 out of 10, obviously, because the color scheme, the spoke, everything is so detailed and nice. So the casting is amazing, premium casting, and the model is Ferrari's Fiona Stradale. I really like this casting actually. If you ask me, the difference between Hot Wheels and Bburago is so much that you can't even imagine. I mean, if you are going for a premium Hot Wheel casting, it will cost around 700 to 1000 or maybe 2000. But in Bburago, if you are searching something around, if you want to spend something around 500 to 700, you will get a very good premium casting, which you can't even imagine. It is around in 700. the casting is looking so premium. The details are here, the logo is here also, you can see here. Let me zoom it. I think, hope you guys are able to see it now. Yes, the casting, the logo in and yes, the rubber tires are also here. It is not just a metal tire, the rubber tire is also here, as you can see here. The inner casting, it is a full metal, and the chassis and the body, both of these are metal casting. I really love this casting. Actually, I will make a video difference between Bburago and Hot Wheel casting, sure. For now, it is a wrap up. Please let me know, you guys. Please let me know what you guys are thinking about this casting. Please put a comment and give a like if you want to. If you are actually liking my videos, that's what, by doing this, it will help me to give a boost in my channel. Also, it will encourage me. So just let me know what you guys are thinking about this casting, and stay tuned for more videos. Hope you guys are liking these videos. Please subscribe. Wrap up.